Have you ever been to a nice restaurant and didn't know a suit jacket was required? How embarrassing is that? Some interior piping insulation systems can be kind of like that. Fiberglass insulation needs an extra vapor barrier to ensure that moisture doesn't make its way into the insulation. If the insulation gets wet, it ruins the thermal properties, so it no longer insulates and can lead to mold or corrosion on the pipe. All it takes is just one nick of that jacket and it's all over. But a flexible foam insulation like Armacell's Armaflex needs no extra jacketing indoors. Armaflex is a closed cell foam, meaning the cell structure won't allow water vapor to pass through its walls. Closed cell foam has a definitive advantage over fiberglass insulation, since it has a low vapor absorption, will not break down over time, and, when installed properly, will last the life of the system. This is great news for running efficient mechanical systems. While Armaflex should be checked for major damage over time, a minor surface cut doesn't degrade the moisture resistance performance of the insulation, because moisture can't get through the closed cell structure. So specify Armaflexed closed cell foam insulation for worry-free chilled water and refrigeration applications. And remember, no jacket required.